Welcome back. So there are a few other items that the WA4096 gutter cleaning kit can attach to other than the WG543 leaf jet. I want to show you here in front of me I have the WG509. I'm going to show you a quick assembly with the WA4096. Once this universal sleeve has been attached to your initial pole, simply stretch it as far as it can go. Doesn't always have to be that way. And then the feet, and just keep squeezing down. You want to keep checking because you want to make sure that the grippers inside is catching on to the tube so it doesn't really slip. All right, pull that nice and tight. You can whirl it around, tuck it in almost like a watch band. All right, so if you notice, I put it down here on the bottom of the WG509, very much like where I would put the bag. It's very important to note, though, in order to get airflow through this channel, that this lever here must be in vacuum mode. So you want to make sure that the buckle for the universal adapter is not hanging in the way. Flip down like so, plug in the unit, power it on, and you're ready to go. Welcome back, folks. So there is another unit that the WA4096 universal gutter cleaning kit can work for, and that's the WG584 turbine fusion blower. Simply detach this lower tube. Stretch out. Now, what you can do is you can take this clip here to clamp down the sleeve. All right. Once that's down, simply tighten. Make sure you have full coverage. Tighten all the way down. Now you're ready to go. There is one other thing that we can use the WA4096 for, and that is our WG545 unit. So let's disassemble this and get the proper component on to do so. Please note, whenever you're loosening this universal adapter sleeve, you don't squeeze in these two, you don't pull up these two, you simply press down, pull up. So it is a little bit different with the WG545 here because of this tube ending here. So what we're actually going to do is take off this universal sleeve and use this opening here, as you can see, very similar, and simply snap it on. Match them up, simply slide on. This, in this case, the screw itself does not have to be inserted at all. It will hold up on its own. Simply attach the battery, power on, and you're ready to go.